Is it raining outside and you're still in the mood for some delicious s'mores? Watch the video and learn how to make them in the oven. So before we start making our delicious s'mores in the oven, I'm going to show you what you need. So you're going to need some crackers, whatever you desire to have, but we love these from this brand. You need some marshmallows and you need some chocolate. This is German chocolate, but you can use any type of chocolate you want, like Hershey's or whatever you like to have. You can have additional some Nutella or marmalade, or you can use fruits, banana slices, whatever you want to have on your s'mores. But these three things, the crackers, the marshmallows, and the chocolate, these are the basics. Then you need a cookie sheet with some baking paper on top, and you need an oven. That's it. So now we're going to do the first thing. We're going to preheat our oven. S'mores don't really take long, so I'm not putting it on so high. And then we are going to prepare our s'mores. So you're going to start with the cracker. These crackers are actually thick sheets, so we like to break them down into smaller sheets. These are like this. It's actually 4 pieces. We break them in the middle, and you're going to put them on your cookie sheet. I'm going to use another one. Okay, so now you're going to add your chocolate, the chocolate you desire to have. And I'm going to do the same thing here. You can use a whole chocolate bar. You can make it smaller pieces like this. It's going to melt in the oven anyway. Okay, and on top of that, easy and simple, you're going to put a marshmallow. And when the oven is preheated, we're going to put it in the oven for only a few minutes. Okay, so our oven is preheated. Now we're going to put these s'mores in the middle, in the center of the oven. Not too high because it's going to get dark. Be careful not to burn yourself. This marshmallow is rolling off. Okay, and let's see how long it's going to take. So our s'mores are done. Take them out the oven. Be careful not to burn yourself. I don't like my s'mores really dark or brown. If you want them more roasted, toasted, whatever, then you can just keep them in there longer. My chocolate is melted, as you can see. And now we're going to finish making the s'mores. So you have 2 cookie sheets. You're going to break them down like you did before, and you're going to put them on top. Squish the marshmallow. It's nice and soft from the oven. And you got 4 delicious s'mores. It's a good alternative when it is raining outside and you wanted to make a fire, wanted to make s'mores over the fire. Everyone was looking forward. Just put it in the oven and it just has the same effect. So see you in the next video.